Hello students, welcome to Royal Academy Gulbarga. Today we'll discuss about the mathematics and science syllabus for your upcoming SSLC examinations. Let us first discuss about the mathematics syllabus. In part 1 you have 8 chapters, that is arithmetic progressions, triangles, pair of linear equations in two variables, circles, area related to circles, constructions, coordinate geometry, and real numbers. So there are 8 chapters in part 1. In part 2 you have 7 chapters, that is polynomials, quadratic equations, introduction to trigonometry, some applications of trigonometry, statistics, probability, surface area and volumes. So these 15 chapters you need to cover to get 80 marks in your board examinations. Now let us see general science syllabus for your 10th standard. So in part 1 you have 8 chapters, that is chemical reactions and equation, acid bases and salts, metals and non-metals, life processes, control and coordination, electricity, magnetic effect of electric current, or environmental. And in part 2 again you have 8 chapters, carbon and its compound, periodic classification of elements, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, light reflection and refraction, the human eye and the colorful world, sources of energy, sustainable management of natural resources. So these 16 chapters we need to cover in the science subject to get 80 marks. Now let us see the question paper pattern which was given in the last year, that is 2019. The first thing that was asked was that 4 alternatives were given in a question and you need to select the correct one answer. So like 8 questions were given of 1 mark each, that will fetch you 8 marks. Let us see the example. If n term of arithmetic progression an is so and so, then what is this second term? So you need to select the correct answer, 4 alternatives which is given to you. The second type of question was 6 questions will be asked of 1 mark each, that will give you 6 marks. Answer the following question, that is 2 marks questions, 16 questions will be asked, that will give you 32 marks. And again similarly 3 marks question, okay, 6 questions will be asked of 3 marks each, that will give you 18 marks. 4 questions of 4 marks each, that will give you 16 marks. So like this you will be asked a total of 40 questions and that will give you 80 marks. This was all about mathematics old question paper pattern. Now let's see the general science pattern which was asked last year in 2019. So similar to the mathematics, here also you were asked 10 questions of 1 mark each, that will give 10 marks. The second bit that was asked was a match the following. Okay, 4 match the followings were given of 1 marks each and that will give you 4 marks. 7 questions of 1 mark each, that will give 7 marks. 16 questions of 2 marks each, that will give 32 marks. 5 questions of 3 marks each, that will give 15 marks. 3 questions of 4 marks each, that will give you 12 marks. Last year they asked 42 questions in general science, that will give you 80 marks. Thank you for watching. Like this video, comment on this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Royal Academy Gulbarga.